Hey guys, thank you so much for returning to another video. I have some serious cleaning motivation for you guys in this video. My apartment is just a mess like usual, although I must say it's not as bad as I feel like it normally gets. I've been doing pretty good on staying on top of it, but it definitely still is a mess. And as usual, I have tons of dishes piled in my kitchen. I cook all the time, so it's so hard to keep it clean. And then my drip pans are just disgusting. Look at this. I definitely need to clean them. I don't know. I suck at keeping these things clean. I feel like no matter what I do, even if I put foil on them, they never stay clean. I also wanted to clean up my daughter's room and do a little bit of organizing of her toys. And then my bathroom is a mess too, and I definitely need to give it a good cleaning. But first, I'm going to be starting in my kitchen as usual. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'd love for you to get up and clean along with me.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the dang time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
I'm going to be soaking my drip pans in water, soap, baking soda, and vinegar to hopefully loosen some of that stuff up. Then I'm just cleaning the stove top with my cleaning vinegar, soap, and water. I thought the Brillo pad would take the black marks off, but it actually didn't. Normally I use the scoring sticks and it takes it right off, but I didn't realize that I was out of them, so unfortunately I couldn't get the black marks all the way off. I love my steam mop so much. I've said it before, I wish I had like hardwood flooring so that I could use this thing everywhere. I just feel like it works so well and these are so cool. Leave me some comments below if you guys have a steam mop too. I'm gonna let my drip pan soak for a few hours while I clean the rest of my apartment, which is why you don't see them put back here. Again, these drip pans are not perfect because I didn't have my scoring stick, but they definitely do look a lot better. So here I'm just going to be helping my daughter reorganize her toys in these bins just because they're kind of chaotic and everywhere, and she doesn't really know what she has anymore. So I like to have them organized like Barbies with Barbies and, you know, Toy Story stuff with Toy Story stuff and so on, just so that she knows what she has. Now on to my bathroom, which is my least favorite thing to clean. I don't know why. I just hate cleaning the bathroom, but it definitely has to get done. That is all that I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.